If you ever press Ctrl+Z in GIMP and realize you went one step too far, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo Ctrl+Z in GIMP, which really means how to redo the action you just removed. This is one of those little shortcuts that can save you a lot of time when you are editing photos, drawing, or making graphic design changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick GIMP tips and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. The fastest way to undo a Ctrl+Z action in GIMP is by using the redo shortcut. On Windows and Linux, press Ctrl+Y. That will bring back the last action you undid. So if you accidentally erased a brushstroke, removed a layer change, or backed up one step too far, Ctrl+Y is usually the quickest fix. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is Command+Y instead. So the rule is simple. Ctrl+Z undoes and Ctrl+Y redoes on Windows, while Command+Y does the same thing on Mac OS. Now, if you do not want to use the keyboard, you can also redo from the menu bar. Just go up to the top of GIMP and click Edit. In the Edit menu, look for Redo, and you may see the name of the action you are bringing back, like Redo Brushstroke or Redo Move. Click that option and GIMP will restore the step you just removed. This is helpful if you prefer using menus instead of shortcuts, or if you are still learning the keys and want a visual way to work. There is also another very useful method called Undo History. This is perfect if you hit Ctrl+Z more than once and want to jump forward to a specific point instead of only restoring the last action. To open it, go to Windows, then Dockable Dialogs, and then click Undo History. A panel will appear showing a list of your recent edits. From there, scroll through the history and click the exact step you want to return to. GIMP will jump right back to that point, which makes it much easier to recover your work if you went too far back. This method is especially useful for detailed projects where you want more control over your editing steps. So remember the 3 easy ways to undo Ctrl+Z in GIMP. First, use Ctrl+Y on Windows or Linux. Second, use Command+Y on Mac. Third, go to Edit and choose Redo. And if you need more control, open the Undo History dialog and click the exact step you want to restore. Once you get used to these methods, you will be able to move through your edits much more confidently without losing work. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more GIMP tutorials, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.